Today I'm going out on this beast here, Tiger Rally Explorer. It's the 1200, new bike, absolutely fantastic, really looking forward to it. I've only ridden it the once. Now, standing here doing this video, you can see I'm quite short compared to this bike. A lot of people would let that put them off, and I can understand why. Over the years of riding though, I found a few techniques because I've never been prepared to not ride stuff I want to ride. I started off on a GSXR 600 at an 830mm seat height. I've got a 28-inch inside leg, missing up my metrics and imperials there, but what that meant was I couldn't touch the floor. I was tiptoes at best. So what I did was found different ways to get around the fact that I'm a little bit short, but I wasn't prepared to compromise what I rode. So let me show you first of all. We'll swing the leg over the bike. We get on it. Now, if I sit here at this point, you can literally see my legs are waving around in the air. So what I'm going to do, to get it off the side stand, I'm going to slide off slightly. The next thing is if we put it on this lock, rather than being over the left, it's much easier to lift up. So if I show you the difference there, I'm going to try and use my weight to get it off the stand. So hands are out, nothing happening. I'm going to put it on this lock, and now I'm lifting the bike up without my hands. Turning it away makes it much easier, okay? Next thing, I'm gonna have to shift my weight over to this side slightly. My foot's down. Wheel at the front, wheel at the back, leg there. That's 3 points of contact. Sailing, on boats, anything we do, if we've got 3 points of contact climbing, it's a nice sturdy place to be. So we stay with that. Doesn't matter that this leg's floating around because at the moment I'm leaning the bike over to me. Wheel, leg, it's not going anywhere. So we kick the side stand out of the way. My left leg now is here. It's on the peg, I'm comfortable, and this foot nearly flat. But from this point of view, I feel really confident. The next thing to understand is the roads. They don't change. The road I'm seeing ahead of me is the road that I'm going to be going to, so I can already see ahead and plan. So in normal riding conditions, I'll be looking at the camber. Generally speaking, most roads, the camber drops away to the left, allow drainage to the curb at the side and get into the drains. So when I come to a standstill, I'll put this leg down. With the road curving, this leg's going to be closer to the ground than my left leg, so I'll try and stop with this one. Again, I'll move the bike very slightly over to give me this sturdy point. And then when we pull away, I can just lift my leg up and ride as normal. And once you're on the bike, you're riding, the wheels are turning, gyroscopic effects happening. It's not going anywhere, so we're confident with that. Now, the key thing here, I suppose, really, it's all about confidence. If you feel confident with it, if you get on it and you feel happy with it, then you'll be okay. But it does take that confidence, and I do acknowledge that I've been very fortunate. I've worked in this industry for a long time, and it's allowed me the opportunity to develop that confidence from a young age. So there's going to be people out there, I understand that you're going to say, do you know what, this doesn't work for me. But those of you that want to give it a go, that think, do you know what, I really fancy this, but I just don't think I can. Physically, here, 28 inside leg, I'm showing you that you can. Just keep hold of those little techniques that I said, turn the bars, move off the seat slightly, and you'll be good as gold.